Hey guys, it's Alan's Tech Review, and today we have the Arctic P12 PC case fan. It's an 120mm PC case fan, and it is known for being quite reliable for a cheap price. I got this for around $10 from Amazon, and it's a 3-pin fan. Unfortunately, it's not PWM, but it has other configurations that you can find online, including PWM. And there's also different colors. Now, as I've said before, the Arctic P12 series comes in multiple different variants, and the P12 series is pressure optimized focused rather than airflow focused like the Arctic F12 series. Now, for the Arctic P12, it's a standard model and it's 3-pin. It's fixed speed at 1800 RPM. For the Arctic P12 PWM PST models, they come with pulse width modulation, which basically means that power from the motherboard goes up and down, in effect saving power. And these fans are 4-pin and go from 200 to 1800 RPM. The PST model comes with power sharing technology. Now, in addition, there's also the Arctic P12 Silent, which is the silent fan model. It has lower noise levels, it's a 3-pin, and is also fixed speed, but it's only 1050 RPM, which makes it significantly slower and significantly quieter than the other fans. Now for the specs that Arctic provides. Of course, it's a 120mm fan, and it goes up to 1800 RPM, which is quite fast. Also, it has a fluid dynamic bearing, which means it will last much longer than your typical PC case fan. Additionally, it is 139 grams. Now out of the box, this is exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get the 120mm fan, including a 3-pin fan cable. Additionally, you're going to get some mounting screws to mount your fan inside your PC case. Now I'm going to mount this fan as an exhaust fan inside this PC case and connect it to this fan hub right here. Alright, so I've mounted the Arctic P12 fan inside the back of my case, and since I'm using it as an exhaust, I want the air to flow out that way. One quick note is that you should have your logo facing the opposite direction of where you want the air to blow out. I want my air to blow out that way as an exhaust, so I'll have the logo facing this way. And after just turning on my PC, the fan starts spinning, and it's moving considerably fast. Actually, even more faster than my front fans on this case. And it's moving a considerable amount of air. I can feel it. It's a slight breeze, and it's great. So now I completely closed off my PC case and turned on my PC and went to hardware info monitor. And what I did was looking at my CPU temperatures. So they're around between 35 and 45 C right now, which is much better at idle than what I had before. Before I had around 50 C, 55 C, so this exhaust fan is really helping my temperatures. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you out. And if you're considering buying the fans, use the link in my description, and I will receive a small kickback at no cost to you.